HTML advanced features. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language and it is used to create web pages. A document which can be displayed in a web browser are called the web pages, and the web browser are such as Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, Internet Explorer, etc. And HTML tags are of two types. The first one is container tag and the second one is the empty tag. Container tag, the tag which has an opening and respective closing tag, is known as the container tag. They are also known as the container element, just like your body tag and title tag, etc. And the second one is empty tag. These tag requires only opening tag. They do not require closing tag. They do not contain any information. For example, the BR tag, it means break tag. And now these are the basic HTML tags. The first one is HTML. These HTML tag, everything related to this web page must be entered within these tags. And the HTML page is divided into the two parts: header, it means head tag, and the body, it means body tag. Head, it is used to create the head section of a HTML documents. All the important information related to the web page are included inside these tags. And the third one, title tag, it is used to display title of a web page. And the title tag is to be included inside the head tag. And the last one is body tag. The body contains the text which get displayed on the web page with other tags and attributes. And the children, these are the text formatting tags. The B tag define the bold text, I define the italic text, and the U for the underlined text. And now create list. We create different lists in our daily life, like a list of students, teachers, employees, items, etc. And similar list can also be created in a web page. In HTML, we can create two types of list: unordered list and ordered list. The tag of unordered list is UL tag and the ordered list OL tag. So the first one is unordered list. Those lists where serial number is not required are called the unordered list. These lists start with different types of bullets and it is not displayed in any particular order. And this list starts with UL tag and ends with /UL tag respectively. And LI is a list item tag which is used inside the list tag. And list item can be displayed in an unordered and ordered list using the LI tag. And these are the attribute. The first attribute is disk. It set the list marker to a bullet. It is the default. And the circle, it set the item marker to a circle. And the next is a square. It set the item marker to a square. And none, the list item will not be marked. And the next, for example, children, if we want to give the list in our web page, then this is the way. You can give the style is the circle and the list is coffee, tea and milk. You can give like this. And the next is ordered list. And now the list which is to be displayed in a particular order is called the ordered list. These lists start with serial number in different styles. And the attributes of ordered list are type 1. You can write like this: type equals to 1 and list item will be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 like. And if you give the type equals to A, then the list item will be numbered in uppercase letter, just A, B, C, D, E. And if you give type equals to small a, then the list item will be numbered with lowercase letter, example small a, B, C. And if you give type 1, it means Roman numerals, that list item will be numbered with uppercase Roman number. And if you want to the lowercase Roman number, you can give type equals to small. one just like this. And children, this is the example. If you want to give the ordered list type equals to A, it means you want your list displayed like this A, B, C, D, then you can give like this.